Germany today is divided into two parts. What we commonly call West Germany is the group of states united into the Federal Republic of Germany. Flowing through West Germany from Switzerland to the North Sea is the famous Rhine River. Branching off from the Rhine is a tributary named the Ruhr River. And so, before the children go to sleep under their big featherbed quilt, they repeat the prayer so often heard in German homes.
Müde bin ich, geh zur Ruh, schließe beide Äuglein zu.
I am tired. I want to keep both my eyes closed now and sleep. Father, let your eye instead look upon me in my bed.